a bit of a firebrand with sonic sound abilities that have gotten her shunned by her community. Next,
Wonder Woman, what's the plan? I got him, boss. Sometimes feels like it in France.
Someone's in trouble.
Everyone's in trouble right now. We're not going any... Where?
Is he one of theirs?
It's on
Force?
Sounds more like something a Nazi would say.
There are things that...
I'll get him to talk. Wait!
kid, you ain't seen nothing yet.
How about Future Boy?
He upped his game. Flowers.
If he doesn't quit soon, I'll lose my bet. You want to stop this? Future Boy could stop it.
That's not a good idea, Dinah.
Or this could be how it happens.
Oh,
So that fight was what? A gas?
It'd slip in without notice.
You've seen your wings, right?
When you have a message, tap the earpiece in Morse code, and the message will...
This is not what I had in mind when I joined an elite fighting force.
But you've got so much experience digging through dirt.
Regular good time Charlie.
You've been hard on Future Boy.
It's just he doesn't know anything about us. No, I know, but... What's the point of all this if we aren't even remembered? We fight, we die. Death probably isn't scary when you have someone waiting for you. Larry? I don't really think he's the one. You know?
How's it going?
Well, make him snap out of it. We're not equipped to handle it.
We need coordinates.
For where? Where's Shakespeare? Huh. The King of Atlantis made a pun.
We need a plan.
I think Red over there is working on it.
We have to get to the surface. Warn the allies of the Atlanteans' involvement.
No, there's no time.
They've got quite a lead. There's no way we can beat them there.
We have to try. Jay, how are you feeling? Supercharging those batteries again? Hey, fish lips! How about a real fight? Keep it up, Jets! Send these fish back to the sea!
The rest of you stop those things from getting to the city.
Let's give them hell, boys.
After you.
How gentlemanly of you. It's okay. You're going to be okay. You can't. You can't go.
Keeping people out. And I know you've been hurt before, but you have to promise me something. Promise me you won't give up on this. On life. On love.
Please.
Sayara.
Look!
What in the world?
Don't worry, future boy. We'll find him.
Leave it to us.